Amiad's ABF strainers are automatic self-cleaning filters designed to remove high loads of suspended particulate larger than 200 microns. The strainers are ideally suited to high-flow, low-pressure, heavy-duty applications. These durable filters use an electrically driven revolving brush cleaning mechanism. The flush cycle is triggered by a combination of differential pressure and time intervals to efficiently handle water supply, cooling water, and wastewater treatment systems. The Amiad ABF automatic self-cleaning filter can operate independently as a single standalone unit or as part of multiple filter installations. The ABF filter consists of the filter vessel with inlet and outlet connections, a screen, a drive unit connected to a stainless steel brushing mechanism, an exhaust valve, and a differential pressure switch. The filtration process begins when raw water from the inlet passes through the inside surface of the screen cylinder and flows through the screen to the filter outlet. The dirt particles are trapped on the inner screen surface. Clean water flows out of the filter outlet. The gradual dirt buildup on the inside screen surface causes a filter cake to develop, with a corresponding increase in the pressure differential across the screen. The filter cake restricts the water flow and must be periodically removed to enable continuous filtered water flow. Once the pressure differential reaches a preset level, the system activates the self-cleaning cycle by opening the flush valve and rotating the stainless steel brushes. The brushes sweep the inner surface of the cylindrical screen. The particles trapped on the screen are dislodged by the brushes and flushed out the exhaust valve. Once the filter cake is removed, the pressure differential across the screen returns to normal, the motor rotating the stainless steel brushes stops, and the flush valve closes. The filter returns to its regular filtering mode, ready for the next flush cycle. During the self-cleaning cycle, process water continues to flow through the filter. Designed to handle varying water sources and quality, ABF filters are used in water supply, cooling water, and wastewater treatment plants, as well as manufacturing, mining, turf, agriculture, and irrigation applications. The 5 models of the ABF family of filters handle flow rates of up to 7,200 cubic meters per hour or 31,000 gallons per minute, with filtration degrees ranging from 200 to 3,500 microns. As one of the world's leading filtration solutions, Amiad's ABF series has been successfully installed at hundreds of sites worldwide.